This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shakira Rawl. Stunning. Single-family 3-bedroom 2-bath 1-story home, only 5 years old, with 2-car garage. No HOA. Open floor plan, perfect for entertaining. Kitchen includes stainless steel appliances. The master bedroom suite includes a walk-in closet and master bath with double sinks. Tile throughout living areas and carpet in bedrooms. With the backyard, you're able to add an amazing pool. Conveniently located near Jupiter Community Park and Limestone Creek Nature Preserve, I-95, Florida Turnpike, and Southwest Fork Loxahatchee River. Minutes to Jupiter's beautiful beaches, restaurants, shopping, and airport. Welcome home. Don't miss this great opportunity. For more information, review the details below.